Place yourself comfortably and close your eyes. Place your palms facing upwards and bring your awareness on breathing. Breathe in and release. Now we will call our higher self for divine guidance and affirm to release any stress or anxiety related to any person or any kind of situation. Identify any particular area of your body which is holding any kind of tension or discomfort. It may be any kind of fear, guilt, any kind of lack, anger, just try to recognize in which area of your body is holding that negative feeling. Once you recognize the area of your body, just see an energetic cord is attached to it with any specific person or any kind of situation. Take a deep breath and hold it for some seconds and just release. One more deep breath, hold it and release. Now we welcome Archangel Michael, who cuts the cord with his shining sword right now. And see that cord is released from your body and falls down to the ground. And it further goes into deep earth and recycled. Take a deep breath in and out with a feeling of great relief. Breathe in the feeling of happiness and breathe out with a great relief. Feel the presence of all higher divine energies around you. Show your gratitude to Archangel Michael for this cord cutting ceremony. Feel the protection. Feel the guidance. Feel the calmness in your mind. Also feel the relaxation of releasing all kinds of stress and anxiety. Feel the feeling of oneness, connectedness. And when you are ready, open your eyes.